Hey everybody, it's Beatrice here again, where I'll be, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do the double crochet stitch. If you watched my previous videos, we went over the single stitch, and then in another video we went over the half double stitch, and in today's video we'll be going over the double crochet stitch. So let's get going. So for today's tutorial, you're going to need a pair of scissors, a crochet hook, some yarn, any size, any shape, any color, and a swatch that you can practice on. So what you want to do is just take your yarn, make a slip stitch, slip knot, insert your hook into the slip knot, yarn over, pull through that first stitch, pull through, okay? Now at this point we want to chain two, 1, 2. Now we're ready to begin our double crochet. So we're going to go right next to this stitch that we did. Okay? We're going to go right here in this next stitch. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through. Okay? Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, and you're going to pull through 2 of them. Now you've got 2 left. Pull, yarn over, pull through. So you've just made your first double crochet. Right here. Okay, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, you've got 2 left, pull through the 2, okay? Yarn over, pull, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 hoops, yarn over, pull through 2. And see how pretty that is? Now you've got your double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, got 2 left, yarn over, pull through 2, okay? And if you get stuck, all you need to do is rewind the video and follow the steps again until you get the hang of it, okay? After you do it for a while, and with practice, you're going to get really, really good at it. The double crochet stitch, okay? Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 2. Okay? Now you have, we started out with a single crochet, which is in yellow. We have the half double crochet, and now we have the double crochet. See how much larger the stitches are getting. Okay? So now you've learned how to do the double crochet. You're going to see that the double crochet comes into play for a lot of different projects, and it's good to know the basics of these stitches. So I will see you in the next video, where we'll be talking about the triple crochet stitch. Okay? See you then.